All right, I'm at the gas station. Just gotta get some gas for my generator. It's really early. Really busy today, so I wanted to get a really early start on this building project. All right, so I'm on the build site. We moved our trailer here, and I'm about to put up the frames. Sarah's work today.
Making it work. And our little house was full of dirt. Paying the bills, making our dues. Oh, how I miss it was me and you. So bring on the.
So last night it rained. And I knew the rain was coming, and then today it said it was going to get really windy in this afternoon. So yesterday I figured I would just come down in the morning and brace things, make sure it's secure and sound for the wind. But I woke up at like 2 in the morning this morning, and it was so windy, and I knew at that point that everything was going to be ruined. All my hard work for the week, pretty much ruined.
Well, have you forgotten the stuff that holds us together? Let's get close for the colder weather.
Well, today I guess is kind of going to be a cleanup day. And start again on Monday. Great. That windstorm definitely got the best of me. Not gonna happen again.
Every time, we'll leave your heartache. Oh, for goodness sakes.
So the elements definitely got the best of me on this one. That is not going to happen again. I'm going to be way more prepared, and this is going to be like tsunami and tornado proof after I'm done with it. So that's it for today. We finished up all our pieces, fixing them, and they're right here, tied down. Wind's not gonna blow them away. They are ready to go for the next time that we build. But now I'm gonna draw out on the trailer where everything's gonna go, the doors, the windows, the layout, the floor layout of everything. So that way I get a good idea of what's going on. I don't want to put up the walls again and have them blow down.